Hello everyone and welcome to a new LEGO video. This one is a little bit different because this is my last video I'm filming before going to college. And yes, this is my entire LEGO collection, which you have seen in previous videos of mine, and we're going to go through the entire thing today. And we're just gonna go shelf by shelf. We're not gonna talk about each set individually because that would take 10 hours. But for now, we're just going to go through each shelf. I'm not sure if there's anything on that side. There is Plo Koon Starfighter, Microfighter. But again, there's tons of stuff here, tons of stuff I've lost to time, tons of stuff that I've rebuilt, tons of stuff that I've sold. But this is what remains until I go to college. But when you see me next, which will be when I'm filming new content, it will be December. And I have a few surprises then, one of which I'm not gonna say in this video because I really just wanna wait before it comes out, you know? I wanna wait to get it. And that was shelf number 1. Now we're moving to shelf number 2 with Vader's Castle and the Republic Yavin 4 base, 3 ATTEs, tons of TIE fighters, tons of Jedi Starfighters, and another one of these, the V19s, tons and tons of turbo tanks. There's 10 total, including my mock, and then a stupid amount of Republic vehicles. And this is a whole look at the entire shelf, especially the Republic section, which one thing I might do before I leave is move these down a shelf to have my entire, not my entire, but most of my Republic army sitting right here. That's definitely one thing I'm doing before I leave. Then we can move over to my Harry Potter collection. We have both the main tower and the Great Hall. And then we do have some other sets on the side. And then over here we have the Venator and the Hogwarts Express, along with all of the 25th anniversary minifigures, besides for young Leia, because I refuse to spend $100 on 4 micro droids that I don't care about. And then we have shelf number 3, including some pretty cool sets, including that thing, which I bought for 200 bucks, used, with the box, all of the pieces and minifigures. So it's pretty cool. Some interceptors. We have 2 Republic gunships, the Ghost, which I will be taking with me to college, and some other sets. I actually built this as a mock. It is on my channel. Go back if you want to see it. It's pretty cool. I just used spare parts they had. We have the Mos Eisley Cantina, and then the one and only Rancor Pit and Jabba's Palace, which is one of the sets I will definitely be missing terribly when I'm gone. We have this huge mock that I made with the Slave 1 on it and some other characters. We have the Meditation Chamber, 2 of these that I put together too, and then Yoda's Hut. Then down here we have 2 of those that I put together, and then some other sets as well, along with the Saturn V rocket. And then right here we have Commander Cody and the Mandalorian. I also have Captain Rex, which I'll show you in a minute. Then we have extra Harry Potter sets that I cannot fit on that dresser. And then lastly, we have my sealed collection of sets. Yes, this Pokemon tin has Lego in it. It's all my sealed poly bags. And yes, there is a lot of sets here. Go check out my previous videos on my sealed collection. There's some cool stuff in here for sure. And then at the end of this video, we're going to go through all of my minifigures, and then that'll probably be the last thing I do for this video. But quickly, here is a panorama of my room and every single set in it. The lights are definitely in the way, but gets the point across pretty well. We can move over to here. And I do have a few UCS sets. The main ones, of course, are Luke's X-Wing, the Venator class Star Destroyer, and then Jango Fett's Slave 1, sorry, which is all the way in the back there, which I cannot open until Christmas because, you know, I won't be here. I'm going to college. And then this technically counts too. It's Master Builder Series sets. My goodness. I don't know if these count or not. I'm going to say no because they're not UCS. And again, here are Chopper and Captain Rex. Like I said, I will be taking these to college with me along with the Ghost. There's also my Pokemon binder to let me know if you want to see a video on that because I will gladly do one. Here is my extra shelf with extra sets, including an X-Wing, this, and then Mando's new Starfighter, which I just didn't have space for. Some other sets, that one's pretty cool. Just didn't really have a place for it, a random Halo sword. And then we have my Lego City, which I also did a separate video on, so we're not going to take too long here. But we'll give a full shot on it, and it's definitely very cool. There is also a lightsaber in the corner of the room, which is pretty cool. And before we take a look at the minifigures, I just want to show how I managed my pieces. And for me, I felt very clever when I did this. I have not only 1, if they would open, not only 2, but I have 3 storage bins, and they're all connected. Want to guess how? And you guessed it, that is actually duct tape. Duct tape is surrounding this entire thing, and I actually put 3 or 4 layers on it. Like there's one here, but there's some on the bottom that broke off. So I wrapped that around once, and then there's 3 strips on the bottom as well. And this made it so I can just throw it completely under my bed and save so much space, which is honestly amazing. But there's an epiphany. There's more space back there that I have not used, which again, I won't get the opportunity to do that, but I don't know. It's what it is. And also, I do collect Pokemon cards. If that's something you want to see, please let me know. And I have a ton of them that I can make some pretty cool videos about them. But again, Star Wars is my main thing. We'll get to the other ones later, but these are my main clones. I do have a lot more. There's an entire base plate of clones. But first, these are the main Jedi. We have tons of exclusive Jedi. We have the rare Qui-Gon Jinn, which I'm not selling. I tried to, but they denied me because they're like, hold on to it. This is going to be rare. Might be expensive one day. We have the entire Bad Batch. We have the rare from Airborne Trooper from General Grievous' Starfighter. We have the 212 clones. And we have a ton of these guys and those. These are the Shock Troopers. And then a ton of Phase 1 clones, along with both Tonwi. Spacing that name, I'm so bad at it. And then Padme and Senator Palpatine. Remember when I said I had a lot of clones? Well, there's quite a bit here. We'll put this one next to it later. But we have Captain Rex. We have Commander Fox, Commander Cody. We have, I believe that's 5s. We also, yep, and then we have Vaughn, Captain Vaughn, I'm pretty sure. We also have tons of legions. We have our normal legion, 3 rows of 12, so total number of 36, plus another row of 6. And then we have 3 rows of 10 of 501st Troopers from the 501st Battle Pack. Then that means 10 Jet Troopers each. Then we have a stupid amount of the 330, I think they're 332nd, Ahsoka's Clone Troopers, 3 rows of 10, plus another 10 as well from all the battle packs. I also counted Captain Vaughn as them. I just took off the visor because it's such an easy fix, you can't even tell. And then we have 10 sets worth of the 501st Specialist clones in the back. So together, there is a few hundred clones here, and it's quite awesome. This is a look at all of my clone troopers that I've collected to date. This is only going to grow as time goes on, but again, there's a lot here. I'm very happy about it. And here's my Imperial army. It is definitely a lot smaller because LEGO refuses to make a normal battle pack with Stormtroopers. It honestly makes me mad, and I'm not the happiest about it. This thing would be full of Stormtroopers. I would have bought like 30 of them, as long as they were cheap. If they're a $20 set, I would have bought as many as I can. I mean, yes, they've made the like 2-in-1 battle pack, but I'm not spending that much money for only 2 Stormtroopers. Like, it's not going to happen. But again, I do have a lot of Sand Troopers. I have the 2 from the Mos Eisley Cantina. I have 1 from the old one, and then I have 2 from the dropship, the escape pod set. I have a few of the battle packs of the Snow Troopers, I have a few battle packs of these, and then I have a stupid amount of those because I made a mock one day with them. We also have the 3 guards with Moff Gideon, and then some other troopers. Then we have some Inquisitors. We have 4 total, I believe. I have the one from the Ahsoka series, which is also an Inquisitor, so that's pretty cool. We have, I'm going to space the name, I believe that's a 5th brother. We have Reva and the Grand Inquisitor. We have Palpatine, of course, Vader. I have a ton, which I'll show you in a second. Thrawn, and then I have Baylan Skoll with a orange lightsaber, which is awesome. I just need 1 more for Saw 10. I decided to put Kylo Ren here because I sold all of his friends. Like, I mean, all of them. The back was filled with not 501st, the First Order. That's how much I don't care. But the First Order figs. There is a line of Death Troopers and 1 night, like 1 black Stormtrooper, I guess. The rest are Stormtroopers from previous sets. And here is my droid collection. Now, this thing is quite small, but again, I packed as many droids in here as I could. I put them as close together as humanly possible, except I maybe could have fit in 1 more on there, but I didn't want to push it too much. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 droids per row. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows of 15. So 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, I believe. So there's 90 B1 battle droids right there, plus 6 of the colored ones, which are pilots as well. And then there are another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. So there's over 100 B1 battle droids. 10 of them are on stands, or 8, I believe. Then we have a bunch of the B2s, which are 3 rows of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12, 24, 36, plus 4 on either side, 2 commander droids, and then 1 battle droid in the center. We also have Grievous up front. We have a Saz Ventress, not the new one. I do have the new one, but this is just an older one I have, so I left her. We have Pre-Vizsla, I believe this is. And then we have my Maul, which I used custom hilts, and then I have the Darksaber as well for him, which I think is pretty cool, if my camera would focus. But yeah, there's the Darksaber for him, and I love this figure. And here are my last 3 trays, base plates. We have my Rebellion Army, which half of them are put somewhere else. They're scattered throughout my collection. I just put as much here as I could. Ahsoka, Luke, Leia, a great Bo-Katan, two of the Cassian Andors out of the 3, and a ton of other minifigures that are really cool to have, and just cool figures overall. And then we come to my duplicates section, or figures I don't want on display. So we have all of the first order figures. They're not first order. The 7, 8, 9 figs are there that I didn't sell. We have an extra Mace Windu. We have an extra Cody out of my 3. Another one of the Codys I used for one of the Clone Troopers. That helmet is Cody's. And then I don't remember where the other body for Cody is. Uh-oh. It's somewhere. It's out there. It's probably over here somewhere. I'll probably find it doing this. Oh yeah, it's right here. The other body for Cody's there. There's Bo-Katan, some pilots, tons of Luke Skywalkers, tons of Vaders, some Mandalorians, some Leias, Rey, Boo. And yeah, that's everything there. And then these are all stands and Gonk droids. I don't know what to do with them. Then lastly, we have some of my extra figs. These were Marvel originally, but I didn't really have a place for these. And then we do have 2 extra 25th year anniversary minifigures here that I will sell someday, probably, maybe. Who knows? And again, here is a look at all of my armies combined. We have tons of clones, stormtroopers, droids, my tiny rebellion army, and my extras. So again, there's a lot of minifigures here. And one final thing before we go is I just want to show that I have all the minifigures for the Super Star Destroyer. We have, I'm going to butcher all these, Bosk, Bogard, I think, Boba, yes, I'm spacing those 2. And then Edgy 88 or 99 or whatever. But they are all here, and I just wanted to put them on Boba's palace because, I don't know, I just put them there. And I think it's pretty cool. It's nice to have them. I also have Jango Slave One, which I really want to take to college with me. I can't, though. I should just leave it here. It's not smart to bring a ton with me because they could get stolen going to ASU, so you never know. But yeah, that's pretty much everything here. And again, quick overview of everything. And this has pretty much been my collection video. I don't really know what else to cover. I mean, I've done videos on these. I've done videos on my city. And that's pretty much everything. And I just did a quick overview of that. So thank you so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. Again, my last video before college. And I'm signing off. And there, of course, every video is pre-uploaded until January. I'm done until then. And I have a video list that I'm kind of making mentally for new sets that I want to do until like after January, because I'll probably maybe buy a few more, get some for Christmas, make a list. So everything's covered until January. And again, my last video I'm not uploading, but last video I'm making, I'm signing off for now. Thank you for watching and goodbye.